Ebi bireho bwanyuma yaba Kansara kuzo mu kanso bakacika nkaburijo babahira impapura kusayiningaho enshako kandi bwanyuma yo kutaha imikono yaba harupapura abarukwatwaho baburizamisho ba Kansara nkwe kurugo mu mbera
babaza batego bwenje twasayininga payment sheet baje twarabajibuzaho twaheza kanso saa 8 hati ni 11 office zone za kinga hati tuba kutwara mu kabuntu tukiza mu district kuzana ninga tukiza fitense z'abantu kandi bakatushashura ngo kucemira
izo shanisha 11 tutwakarebere sente instead tureba abantu bagenda twakwenda kutugambira kikozere ki ekiroho even ito Sheema tinkuma ikiri Sheema
twende sente zitabo kwa twazo mu kanso twakika twasayininga na payment sheets mwene sente twakazine twaburu twata
abandi bona batusigaho bagenda turyaha tusitami ngutegereze mtwari 11 bona tubakure ngo mbatuza ndabwongo Sheema yeka bachi abwenche takora ka district ezindi
ba Kansara batugira ngo biro muzegwa bebembezi okubamanyira nk'abana bato ngo bagumisirize byayanga bayenda kubatwara mu kabyafandumo
tino kubasa kutugaruka kandi speaker nawe tukumureba na chairman nawe tukumureba yagenda na vice we yagenda turyanko kumutureba
turyatsobirwa ati to twore kitune transport yo kututazi
so tubaka bahina
Kansara twakwasa kumbara mukabundu
hati yobo chikwata abatwi abiza batine muna 10 icyo kutugarizo mu kanitse turya
kuzishiresha 10 ba Kansara barumbere Cracked Council hamwe na Chief Finance Officer aho babirebesherekire batyo babasikayo ngo babarondere sente zabo.
I'm really not happy with this one. Ahabako ba Kansara kwa kwisha ariko manyangu naza kubona transportera mutware kandi kamburra nkabareba heru nko kuba bari stranded nchinkora kubimazima. I'm not happy with it.
Ko kugaya honorable member nobo wagayana nabantu abo ko babatire mu bwese job. So I'm not happy with that, and actually it needs a complete and a serious solution.
Message y'inkwhereza kawo no kugira ngo atakese bataka tugambire ngo speaker Sheema kweta kanso argument ayesotinge arekwe ngo sente za ba Kansara zikozereki zuru
abakora barukwatwa aho bahunjira mu office zabo batorogwata bambwine omugandi ba Kansara batabucira barukure byenguta habwo kutakora emirimo yabo kandi ubwe bine bikwato ebiviro mu kanso ya district yabo hwejo.
And it is now different from what the minister is saying. For him, he's saying that the money was reported on Sheema in Weshu, on the other side. And later, that he was now concerned with those roads there. He later now took the fuel to a place where I don't know which is here now.
The sub-county chief of Chahena must account our fuel. You don't know want to hear any more deputy cow. Who is deputy cow? Let him tell us where did our fuel go.
Abantu bitu nibago mu accident agwishonga yengo tombi kandi chini nakasente kachaka kubindika kolengoto kaka senta ka startup funds toka mutwa kachano ninga twakateko mu ngoto konka still tizakorwa
ba Kansara bashabira barukure byenguto okoreka kusisira ubwira ha sente zempa mushoro.
The fuel meant for Chahenda works build first complete the projects. So and here I'm seeing the engineer. I don't know whether it is the minister or engineer to tell us, because we are not very happy for that oil, and we've been talking about it. And here I'm seeing that fuel is now available. Work to resume soon, since the rains have reduced and the rain have really gone.
They should make sure they don't waste our time. For instance, if they had a paper showing or committing, showing that on these dates and on this week we shall be working on that road, that would be very easy for us not to waste time here. But now they will keep saying soon, when, until when.
Mukuru w'entebe ya katano ashabire report kushijuma eva Kansara barukugamba.
So, Mr. Speaker, there is no shortcut. The minister and the engineer mujeni kutwele the report. Can next country yetaro kumwena yini mubinga.
But we are handling it. Because that commitment, I have to make the answer for it. Yes, you make the deputy cow and the deputy cow make a commitment to do what he's supposed to do.
bitu minisita w'ibyenguto muri district ya Buhweju ayirekere ngo bakavuga n'ibizubu umukora z'umuhanguto.
Last financial year tukagira challenges munongo munguto, injura yazagwa nyingi, ibyuma byafa munonga cyaturitira butamara inguto zito mbwire tukakwata financial year konka mpora tuzirenda tukore nguto ezo kandi nyingi izinkutekatenga ziri mu final stages.
District ya Buhweju ekiruko bombiye nguto amakuru agagashakwa Michael Atwachire na Juliet Charles Sheema.